Regular fly screens just don't work on bifold doors, and in many instances, French doors have limitations like blinds or furniture that mean that traditional opening doors just don't work. Retractables are a great option in these scenarios, and I'll run you through some of the features and benefits of the different types that we offer. We have two types of generic pleated retractable. All pleated retractables are very compact in this side. It's easy to fit, and it slides very quietly. With pleated screens, you can see the screen, which is an advantage because you can see the mesh and you're unlikely to walk straight into it, unlike the flat mesh types. The metal can be done into a limited range of standard colours, and for a higher price, we can have it powder coated especially to your choice. We can fit it inside the reveal, as is this one, or using a frame like this, we can fit it on the outside and then put the screen into this part. The main drawback of this model though is that it has this deep channel at the bottom, which becomes a step in some scenarios, but in others where your step is already higher, it doesn't really matter. It does collect dust and other things, but so does everything around your house. This is the generic pleated retractable type B. It has a 3mm plastic strip here at the bottom that guides the screen across. The main difference is that it has this plastic chain that goes up inside here and allows for the bottom of it to be guided. It can be a little bit noisier in operation, but the benefit is that you have no tripping hazard at the bottom. This is our jumbo pleated retractable, very similar to the generic type A and type B. It does have the channel at the bottom. It's very quiet in operation. It's been designed in Taiwan to cope with very strong winds, in fact typhoon conditions, and the mesh comes with a 7-year warranty on keeping the pleats nice and tight. The overall design is very compact and slimline. This is our tech roll retractable. Unlike the pleated ones, it has a flat mesh. It rolls away into the canister on this side and comes out and clips into the fully shut position. It's an economical way of getting a retractable of this nature. This is the Freedom Infinity retractable. It's a real step up from the models that we've looked at so far. It's been designed, developed and manufactured in Queensland for Australian conditions. After many years of manufacturing a previous model, Freedom put all their knowledge into this product and made it look more modern and function really well. It glides really nicely. It has this brake which allows you to stop it at any position. The mesh is retained in the top and bottom track so it can take a bit of a knock and resist high winds. Of course, if your dogs or kids go through the mesh, technicians can come to site and replace the mesh on site. It's available in a wide range of powder coat colours, and we just think it's a great product. And here's our Rolls-Royce product, the Australian designed and manufactured Centaur S1E. It's very easy to use, glides like any old sliding door. You won't need to teach your guests how to operate it. That's because of the counterweighting mechanism as opposed to the spring tension mechanisms in the other flat retractables. The mesh is a cut above all the others as a standard mesh. It's quite robust, but it has a bit of give in it for your kids and your pets. It's a sleek looking design. It's all quite flat all the way around, and when it's designed into your build from the beginning, it will hide away virtually invisible. It comes in a 3.9 metre width for the single screen, or if you double it, it gets out to 7.6 metres. You can choose to put a sunshade in it as well if you like. Given the option, I would put this in every time.